Alright, man, rise and grind, good people, man. I'm back at y'all with another quick video with the Pull-Up King. This video, I'm working on a Honda Civic 06. I did the alternator on it, but I could not put the belt back on, so this is what we got. Alright, so this belt tensioner is hydraulic, and this thing would not budge for me, so it broke. That's what it looks like. It's supposed to look like that. Alright. So I'm gonna be showing you how to basically remove the alternator, reinstall, and remove the tensioner and replace it. Let's get it.
We have emotion, nigga. We have emotion, we have emotion. Yeah.
Hit with another one.
We have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma ride for this, I'ma grind for this, I did time for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. Cause we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma grind for this, I did time for this, I'ma shine for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. We have emotion, I swear I ain't bragging and boasting. On that leaning, that's why I ain't focused.
So we already got the belt off, as you can see. All that's holding this alternator in is two 12mm bolts, one here and one at the bottom. Take off these connectors. Make sure your battery's disconnected as well. Alright, we got all our connectors undone. 10mm here, bolts out. That's those two bolts right there. Just wiggle it on out. Might need a pry bar to get it out for the first time. Since I already got this out, I don't need one. I had to pry it out the first time though. Alright, and this here is the tensioner. And we got one bolt holding it in. Should be one bolt right there. And that bolt right there. Got that bolt out. So it's looking like you gotta take off this pulley here. Water pump pulley. This is what I use to hold the pulley still so the whole pulley won't turn when you try to take out that bolt. There's three of them. Alright, next we got this 8mm Allen socket. Goes right in here. So it goes there. We're gonna try to knock it loose from the top. Alright, and I broke it loose from the top. I've seen videos where they had to take out all of this, the mounts, all of the brackets, and let the engine drop a little, and then jack up the car, and then they get it out with the impact gun. I ain't had to do all of that. Alright, so once you get that loose, got that bolt out. And should be able to get this out. Look where it broke at. I was just surprised. I thought I broke my socket in my my ratchet, but this broke. Alright, we're going in reverse order. Got it in position. I'm gonna go ahead and put the bolt in there. I went ahead and put that 12mm bolt in first. I'm gonna go ahead and put that 8mm Allen. Alright, we got that little motherfucker in there. Alright, so next we're gonna go ahead and install the alternator, reverse order, and put the belt back on, and we good to roll. Got our pulley back on. Got everything installed, man. Yeah, so that's gonna be it for this video, man. Hope y'all enjoyed it, man. Like the video, give it a thumbs up. Go ahead and comment, subscribe, and I'll catch y'all next video. Pull up, King.
Hit with another one.
We have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma ride for this, I'ma grind for this, I did time for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. Cause we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma grind for this, I did time for this, I'ma shine for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. We have emotion, I swear I ain't bragging and boasting. On that leaning, I swear I ain't focused.